Hey guys, it's Charlie. I've used Mercury for a couple of years now. I have 2 accounts with them. In this video, I'll just be talking about everything I know about Mercury, the pros and cons, the features, why I love using them, and who it's for. Later on in this video, I'll actually show you step by step how to set up a checking account using Mercury. And if you guys do want to help support the channel, we'll have a link down below. You'll get an exclusive offer just by using our link, and you'll also be helping to support the channel as well. So thank you so much in advance. So yeah, basically, this is the outline for the video. This is what we're going to be talking about. And I'm really excited because I absolutely love Mercury. Okay, so first, let's talk about what Mercury is. Okay, so they were founded in 2019. They are a financial tech company rather than a conventional bank. And there's so many pros to this, which is what I'll cover later on in this video. Now, any deposits you make in the checkings and savings accounts are FDIC insured up to $5 million. Now, obviously, this is much better than the standard $250K insurance limit. And this is basically because they spread your deposits across multiple FDIC insured institutions. So if you do have over $250K, then this is a perfect bank for you. Mercury is definitely one of the most popular small business checking accounts that people use, and there is a good reason why. So now let's talk about the pros. So the first is that there are no monthly fees, and there are also no minimum opening deposits. You also get unlimited fee-free transactions, and there are also no overdraft fees. So if you hate fees just like I do, then this is perfect. You also get free domestic and international wire transfers. Since it is a financial tech company, you also get advanced digital tools, and they also integrate with QuickBooks, Xero, and other third-party tools. So now let's talk about the cons. The first is that since it is an online bank, you cannot deposit cash. So if you have a cash heavy business, then this may not be the best bank for you. It's also not part of a fee-free ATM network, so it does cost a little bit of money. But if you're like me and you don't use ATMs, then this should not be a problem. Also, the Mercury savings account does not actually earn any interest, but they do have a separate treasury account offer, which is very, very high yield. They do have pretty great support, but that's mostly through email, and there is limited live phone support. Now, who is Mercury actually for? So it's for any business owner who wants a reliable tech-forward checking account for their bank. That's one reason why 2 of my companies use Mercury. I absolutely love their features. I've never had a problem with them. And I absolutely love that they are so tech heavy. If you also have over $250,000 in deposits and you want higher coverage, then yeah, that $5 million coverage limit is a really great thing. But even if you have a much smaller amount, it's totally okay. Mercury is still a great choice. Another thing I really love is that you can actually create virtual debit cards with spending limits. So I have a bunch of these for one of my businesses. We give these cards out to our employees. We can set limits on them. We can set what can you actually spend this card on. And so that's been a really helpful tool. Like we said earlier, there are no monthly fees. There's no minimum opening deposit requirement. You don't get any interest on your checking or savings account balances. But as of right now, you do get up to 5.42% APY when you use Mercury Treasury. You can have unlimited transactions. In terms of the bonus, this is always changing. But as of right now, if you do use our exclusive link, you will get $250 of cash when you deposit $10,000 or more in the first 90 days. So now, who can actually open up a business account? So basically, any US company that has an EIN can apply online for a Mercury business checking account. Non-US residents, you can also open up accounts with Mercury if you do have US operations, but there are some restrictions for some particular companies. Also, certain industries cannot use Mercury, so just be aware of that. But that's not going to apply for almost all you guys watching this video. So in terms of the account opening requirements, basically they're going to ask for your personal details. They're going to ask for your business information. They'll ask for any required documentation. So these are any business formation docs. And they may ask you a little bit more about your business type and transaction types. But yeah, I'll show you guys exactly what the sign up process looks like in just a second. But essentially, once you guys are approved for a Mercury account, you'll be able to open and fund your account. You'll be able to send payments and manage transactions and spending. You can actually download the Mercury mobile app, which has a great interface. You can add users and integrate with third-party tools. You'll get a business debit card within 8 to 10 days. And you can also deposit checks through the add funds flow. So essentially, Mercury is a full-fledged banking solution for almost every small business out there. And I'm going to show you guys how to actually sign up for an account. So if you guys click on the link down below, it's going to take you to this exact landing page. And I'll show you the sign up process is extremely simple. So the first thing we're going to do is enter in our email. After that, we will click open account. So it's going to ask for your first name, last name, work email, and then password. After that, we'll click start application. So first, they're going to ask us more about our company. So we're going to put in the company name and our call sign. After that, we'll click next. And it's going to ask you, is your company any of the following? You're going to look through this, and if any of these applies to your company, you'll check it. But for me, it's none of the above. So now it's going to ask you for your more detailed company info. We'll select our company type, you'll select the industry, and then you'll tell them what your company does. This can be pretty short. After that, we'll click next. Now we're going to enter in our company address. It's going to ask you, where do you do most of your work? We'll enter that in and click next. Now you're going to enter in your ownership details. So your legal first and last name, email, job title, and ownership percentage. So since I own 100% of this business, I'll click 100%, click continue. Since this is me, I'll click I'll fill this out. It's going to ask you for your citizenship status. It's going to ask you for your phone, your date of birth, home address. It's going to have you upload a US issued ID or international passport, ask you a few more more questions, and then we'll click next. Then it's going to have you enter in your company documents. So this is going to be your formation document, your EIN document. After you do that, you'll click next. Expected activity. Will you be sending or receiving money internationally? Personally, I will not be, so I'll click no, but select accordingly. And then there's going to be some follow-up questions like who are your target customers or clients? How do you usually receive payments? How do you find and connect with potential clients? And after you enter all that, you'll click review your application, make sure everything looks okay, and then click submit. So it's very, very easy. You'll just want to have a few documents on hand, and just know that's going to take about 5 to 10 minutes to submit your application. So yeah, overall, I'm a big fan of Mercury. I've been using them for a while now. If you have a small business or if you're just starting out, I highly recommend this. It's a very tech-forward company. They have a lot of cool features that you don't get with some of the bigger banks like Chase and Amex. So yeah, really, I don't see any reason for you to use any of those bigger banks. When you log into your dashboard for your Mercury account, you'll see that it's extremely user-friendly. Everything is in one place. Anything you want to do, it's very easy to figure out. And I do love that it shows money coming in, money coming out, and paints a very good overview of your business health. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Hopefully you guys got some more information about Mercury. Hopefully you guys see that Mercury is a great business banking solution. And again, if you guys do want to help support the channel, we'll have a link down below to get that exclusive offer where you'll get $250 just for funding your account with $10,000 or more in the first 90 days. If any of your friends are thinking about opening up a Mercury account, then feel free to send them this video or comment any questions you have down below. Anyways, thank you so much for your time. If you guys got some value from the video, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe for more content just like this. Everything we do on this channel is meant to help you start and grow your business. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.